But is make it the best. You know what it is. This mathematician, but you know what it is. We're here with another video of it. Today we are doing geometric series, right? Where we use the formula of calculating the sum of the geometric series, right? To find either n, right? Or r, right? As we continue, guys, here we have a question, right? Say, how many terms of geometric sequence, right? Negative 1, 2, negative 4, 8, right? Will add up to this number, right? This number, right? It means this is the sum, right? They need how many terms that are combined. They have made this number, right? It's very simple, guys. Do not doubt us. Relax, right? We're going to use this formula, right? Firstly, we need to identify what values do we have here. We have a, which is negative 1. Do we have r? No, we don't have r, but we can determine r, right? Let's determine r. We say r is equals to t2 over t1, or r is equals to t3 over t2, right? What is our t2? Is 2 over negative 1. Then we'll get negative 2. This side, let's see, t3 is negative 4 over t2 is 2, right? Which is we will get negative 2, right? We found our r, right? From here, we are going to substitute whatever we have, right? We say Sn is equals to a into bracket r n minus 1 close the bracket r minus 1, right? We have Sn, right? It's the sum. Then we write 3, 4, 9, 5, 2, 5, right? Is equals to, what is our a? Is the first term, right? Negative 1. Then you can write it in the bracket, it's up to you. Then what is our r? Is negative 2, right? N minus 1. Close the brackets, divide by, what is our r? Is negative 2, negative 1, right? From here, we do maths. It's just a matter of applying mathematics, right? You just write this one, you can just say 3, 4, 9, 5, 2, 5, right? It's equals to this one. When we multiply this thing from here, it will, you can just say negative, then into bracket negative 2 n minus 1, right? Close the brackets, then negative 3, right? From here, we all know that this negative, it will cancel this one, right? Simple as ABC. Then from here, you multiply both sides by 3, because you want to remove the fraction, right? When you multiply both sides by 3, the 3 multiplied by this number, you will get 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 5, right? You will get this value. Then this side you are left with negative 2 n minus 1, right? Then from here, you know what it is. You have to take this number to the other side, right? It will, when it jump the equal sign, it will change the sign, right? It means you're going to have 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 5 plus 1, right? Is equals to negative 2 n, right? From here, it's just matter of addition, right? You add this one, it will be 0, 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6 is equals to negative 2 into brackets n, right? From here, you want to change this one to in form of exponents, right? You will find S2 to the power 20, right? Is equals to negative 2 to the power n, right? From here, you are not done, right? You need the base to be the same, right? you know, if you can write this like this, negative 2 into brackets, then 2 squared is still the same as this one, right? Because we put it inside the brackets, right? It's still the same. Then we say equal to negative 2 into brackets n, right? From here you see that these are the same, right? You equate the exponent, then you're left with n. Therefore n is equals to 20. It means 20 terms. 20 terms, when we add them from 1 up to 20, they will give you this value, right? You get it? Thank you. Right, guys, here is another question. Say determine m, right? We need to find m, right? Which is where our sequence end, right? Is the end of our sequence, right? Which is we're given this, right? Guys, do not be traumatized by this thing. It's very simple and straightforward, right? Just pay attention. Firstly, you need to write this. You just say m k is equals to 2, 1 over 15, then 3 k minus 1, right? Here, firstly, when we substitute, you will start with 2, right? You just is equals to 1 over 1, 5, 3, then 2, right? Minus 1. You can just write something like this. Then plus 1 over 1, 5, right? Into brackets 3 minus 1, right? Plus, right, 1 over 1, 5 into brackets 3, 4 minus 1, right? Plus, blah, 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 blah. Then plus, the last term is m, right? Then you say 1 over 1, 5 into brackets 3 plus m minus 1. Then close the brackets, right? Then from here, you just punch the calculator. Here you will get 0,2. Here you will get 0,6. Then here you will get 1,8. Blah, blah, blah. Then this one is the way it is. 15 into brackets 3m minus 1, right? Something like this. Then from here, you already know your sequence, right? This is your sequence, right? Then from here, you can determine r, right? R, which is the inform of ratio. R is equal to T2 over T1, right? Or R is equal to T3 over T2, right? From here, we substitute 0,6 over 0,2, you will get 3. Then 1,8 over 0,6, you will also get 3, right? Is your R, right? Then from here, you need to determine the number of terms, right? I told you about this formula, say number of terms, right, is equals to top value minus bottom, right, plus 1. Be careful, always use this formula, guys, in this kind of questions, right? Then what is your top value? Is m, right? Your bottom is 2, then you say minus 2 plus 1. Then you will get m minus 2 plus 1, it will be a -1, right? You have something like this. Then from here, you use any of these formulas, right? From here, you just say Sn is equals to A into brackets R n minus 1, close the brackets, over R minus 1, right? From here, where you see n, you substitute with this, right? But you already know that you are given the sum, right? The sum of the sequence, which is this number, right? You get it? Then you can just say S, and where you see N, you say M minus 1, right? Do you get it? Then from here, you can just say is equals to, what is your A? Is 0, 2, right? This one from the sequence, right? Into brackets, what is your R? You found that your R is 3, right? Where you see M, you substitute with this. Then it becomes M minus 1, right? Minus 1 again, close the bracket. Right, then we divide, we substitute R with 3 minus 1, right? And we already know this variable, right? We write 24, 1 over 5, right? Which is equals to 0, 2 into bracket 3m minus 1 minus 1 again. Divide by 3 minus 1, you get 2, right? Then from here, you can just multiply both sides by 2, right? This cancel this, right? This one you can write it the way it is, 2 times 24, 1 over 5, right? Which is equals to 0, 2, right? Then 3m minus 1 minus 1 again, right? Then from here, you can remove this thing, dividing both sides by 0, 2, 0, 2, right? This cancel this, right? Then you're left with 2 times 24, 1 over 5, divided by 0, 2, which is equal to 3m minus 1, right? Then from here, when you punch the calculator, you will get something like 242, right? Then it's equals to 3m minus 1, right? Then you take this one to the other side, it will change the sign, it will be positive, right? It will be 242 plus 1, it will be 243 is equals to 3m minus 1, right? Then from here, you will change this one to the exponents, right? It will be 3 to the power 5 is equals to 3m minus 1, right? Then from here, you see the base are the same, right? We equate the exponent. You have 5 is equals to m minus 1, right? Then you take this one to the other side, it will be positive, right? Then you will have 5 plus 1 is equals to m. Then therefore, m is equals to 6, right? You can write it on this formula, just write 6 k is equals to 2, 1 over 1, 5, 3 k minus 1 is equals to 24, 1 over 5, right? You have something like this, right? But please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do whatever it takes. But if you don't get it, watch this video over and over again. You will get it. Dango.